If you are wondering if Quick Share on the Xiaomi 17T Pro works with AirDrop on iPhone, let's test that out. So what we need to do is we need to open the control center, and in here we need to set the AirDrop to everyone for 10 minutes on our iPhone. Now on our Xiaomi 17T Pro, we just have to open the Quick Share panel. There we go. Then in here we're gonna go to send, and we should be able to select any file whatsoever. I don't think I have actually anything, but let's say I'm gonna choose something from here, and then I should be able to try to find iPhone on this list of nearby devices. But as you can see, unfortunately, it does not work. It doesn't detect. What I can also try to do is I can use this QR code to scan it on iPhone to see if I can, for example, use the QuickShare website to get these files. So let's see if it is going to work. And unfortunately it does not. So yeah, sadly we cannot use QuickShare with the AirDrop on Xiaomi 17T Pro. At least right now it is not possible to do so. Perhaps it is going to be available in the future, but right now it is not. Leave a like and subscribe.